Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, this reading is for Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump. Now both of them have been tested positive. This is as per the information which is coming out. But are they really sure about this? I doubt. Why? Because the first question which I posed in front of cards is whether he really got infected, Donald Trump, by COVID positive. So this card came. So those who tested him, they themselves are not sure whether he is really tested positive for coronavirus or he is just having some kind of symptoms which are similar to coronavirus, COVID-19. But yes, he is having some health problem which is related to chest. Look at this card, clear cut indication he is having some kind of problem which is chest or lungs related, some kind of symptoms which are similar to COVID-19 symptoms at present. Next 8 days, today is 2nd of October till 10th of October, yes, period is somewhat difficult, kind of struggle, but again then between 11th and 20th of October, Chariot card. So now he is already a senior citizen, Donald Trump, above 70, around 74 I think. So this period is difficult for him till 10th of October as far as his health is concerned. But if he survives this period, then he will be okay, absolutely alright between 11th and 20th of October. Then between 21st and 31st October, how is his period? Fool card. Health wise, he might take some kind of risk like coming out, joining election rallies, some kind of risk. He will be carefree. But yes, Lover's card showing that he will come out of it, and also Chariot card. And whatever health issues he is having, that might not be COVID-19. That might be some kind of the symptoms might be somewhat similar to COVID-19, but he may not be COVID-19 positive. Also, when it comes to cards for First Lady Melania Trump, looking at these cards, she looks alright. I don't see any problems, health issues or escalations when it comes to Melania Trump. So she looks perfectly alright. So my prediction is, number one, Donald Trump is not at all suffering from COVID-19. Number two, even if he is suffering, he will come out of it safely. Thank you.